most of my clients have some sort of permit, some sort of regulation that they have to follow. And the biggest issue is every year you get a new permit that comes out, and that permit gets stricter each time. So that's partially because we're getting better at toxicity tests and determining how things are toxic to aquatic organisms and humans. And so we're at the point where somebody might have used a chemical 50 or 75 years ago at a site, and that site's still operating and hasn't used that chemical in decades, but it's still in the soil. And so we're down at those levels where if you've used it at some point in the past, it could be affecting now. You also run into things that are incredibly useful, but not toxic to humans, but toxic to aquatic life. So galvanized metals, incredibly useful for not rusting, for making things last longer, but zinc is toxic to aquatic organisms at pretty low concentrations. So we have clients that have to go out and paint fences because there's that little bit of zinc can cause a permit violation. We offer the full suite, so anywhere from applying for the permit and making sure if you have an individual permit that the limits that you're getting are appropriate for your site and the activities that you're doing. So going in and figuring out where those chemicals are at the site, and if there's a certain place we can fix them. If it's more ubiquitous, then we can design treatment systems for regional areas and manage those treatment systems and make sure they're being used to their full capacity. Geosyntec is very good at building in adaptive management, so looking towards the future and not just what your recent thing that you're worried about is, but thinking about the next cycle and the next cycle after that. We don't want to help you build a treatment system that's going to last for the next 5 years and then have the next permit come out and have to build something new. We want it to last for the duration of its life, both from an O&M perspective and from a treatment perspective, to get the best value for your money.